Okay, third grade, so we're going to do some practice drawings in the style of Keith Haring. We're going to focus on his figures today. So I want you to take a sheet of copy paper, 8.5 by 11, and I want you to fold it once in half, and then I want you to fold it again. So you're basically going to make your paper into quarters. You're going to have 4 squares. Now this is just a practice paper. Now you have these folds, so I'm just going to take my pencil. I'm going to trace over those folds just to create 4 areas that I can draw in. Okay, the trick to drawing a Keith Haring figure is to think of your basic stick figure. So let's make a stick figure. Let's start with a circle for the head. Here's the torso. We have 2 legs coming out and some feet. Let's add an arm. Maybe the arm is waving hello. Maybe this arm is just hanging down. So that's a basic stick figure. But what Keith Haring does is he makes those stick figures go into action. So let's try that. Let's try a stick figure that's more action oriented rather than just standing there. So I'm going to start again just with a circle head. Going to add that torso. Remember, the torso is the section between your neck and your hips. I'm going to add this arm up. That arm's going to go down. And I'm going to make the knees bend in a kind of fun, different way. Now we're getting more into action, right? Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and make it look maybe like the person is running, for instance. Maybe there's a fire and the guy, help, help. So here's his torso. One leg comes out and bends because he's running. The other leg is running too, but is going the other way. So the legs seem to be moving now. And he has his hands up in the air saying, help, help, help me please, right? Or maybe he's just running because it's Blue White Day and he's excited, right? Okay, let's go with one more figure. This one's going to be jumping. So again, start with a simple figure. Here's our torso. Now the knees are up in the air because this person is jumping, and so the arms are up too. Jumping in the air. Simple. So once you master stick figures, you can then go back and change them into Keith Haring inspired pictures. So I want you to do the 4 stick figures and choose one of them, just one, to try to make into a Keith Haring image. I'm thinking, which one should I do? I kind of like this one right here, so I think I'm going to do that one. Okay, so if we're doing that one, we first want to start with the basics, and that is just going around it. So we're going to go around the head. Notice I'm moving to marker this time, and I'm going to make the arms come out like this. Basically going around the head, right? Straight torso, come out. Here's one leg. Here's the other leg, and come back in. Now, what's the trick? Take my eraser now and erase that stick figure so that I don't see it anymore. And all of a sudden, I begin to have a figure that looks like a Keith Haring figure. You see how simple that was? So what I would like you to do is try this technique on the 4 practice drawings you did. Use a marker, go around the pencil, erase it, and I want to see your 4 figures in marker. I think it'll be fun. and I can't wait to see what you do. Send me a picture and make sure you check off each step on the criteria sheet. Please listen to the videos like the one about his life and this tutorial. Looking forward to seeing your work soon.